Oh. Alright guys, we're going to be doing an unboxing video of the Snoopy Snow Cone machine. We got my sister here today. She wasted $15 on this. Let's see if this is good. Open this up, see what it has. I'm gonna open it up. Alright. Alright.
Oh, it comes with
Cups, cup holder. No idea.
I think you like Papa stuff or something. Yeah. That? But you don't know what this is or something. Oh, sounds like a little one.
Shovel. Drink mix, I think.
Snoopy.
Alright.
Oh.
Shouldn't have done that.
Wait, we need to get like this stuff out of here. Like,
What is it?
like that stuff. Or no.
Ah! Figured out that you have to pop this off. Like that. And then this comes out. Now it's saying to put this grater into here. Just like that. Alright, now it's saying to fit shaver handle into hole in rear of snow cone machine so that notches on handle fit over tabs and shaver. Alright, so this thing right here has to go on the back of that. It has to go on the back. Alright, we got this attached. So now it can shave the ice. Alright, now it's saying to put this right on the back of here. Alright, now it's saying we need to clamp this on to our messy table. Made some room, and now this clamp has to go on the back of this and onto the table. Alright, now, if this focuses, there we go. We are going to make our flavoring. Our flavor is fruit punch. So let's get right to that. This is what we had to add to our water. This has a really strong smell. It is not very good. I'm going to add our powder into our water. Alright, let's add this. And let's stir it. Alright, this has been stirred enough, I think, so let's give it a taste. Alright, it's fine, it's fine. Go ahead and taste it.
Doesn't taste
It's fine.
It doesn't taste
Very watered down, but we're not going to waste. Alright, now we have to gently pour this flavor into this squeeze bottle. Alright. Alright. I think that's good. Now we put the cap on. Alright, there's a hole right here, so we can squeeze stuff out of it. Alright. Always clean up your messes. make the snow cones, and they're making this very clear that Snoopy must be inserted with his feet facing forward. Use only one ice cube at a time. We're gonna put our ice cubes in somehow. Alright, one ice cube going in. Alright, Snoopy must be facing this way. And let's turn it.
Really nothing.
Now I know why they said one ice cube at a time.
It's an earthquake.
Stop the video. Stop the video. Oh crap! I broke it! Oh my god! Stop the video! Stop the video! I jammed it. Alright. Let's get the shovel. Oh no! Oh. Alright, let's get another ice cube. Get another ice cube. Alright. There we go. Now I know why they provided a clamp.
It's an earthquake.
Let's add our flavoring.
Oh.
Oh no!
I don't want his
Alright. Alright, go get a spoon and let's eat it. He's gonna try it. How is it?
Watery.
Watery?
Icy.
Alright. Get another spoonful. Keep eating this. Alright, so, like I said in the beginning, she wasted $15 here. But are they good?
No.
They're not good?
They taste like plain old water with ice and other stuff.
Alright, so we're going to have to make our own drink for it.
Can I add a little more?
Sure. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video.